my God, the tita has to show this to you. Ang ganda ng album na to. And I can't open this. This is really like making me cry. Parang, ano lang yan, jelly beans. You never know which one you're gonna get. Oh my God, nakita ko na yung akin. We are super rem! Hey guys, I'm back. We're in our hotel now. And I'm tired of unboxing the EXO Obsession album. So I might do that later or tomorrow because I kind of already unboxed it and I got the Suho cards that I needed. But it doesn't mean that I wasted my money or that I bought a lot because I will be selling the albums so that kahit papano, may ROI ang ate girl niyo. Yun na yun. I also bought for my friends as well, so it's not all my albums. But today, or tonight, because it is nighttime here, I will be unboxing the other albums that I bought that are all EXO. So these are their old albums that I bought because these are the albums that I don't have yet and that I've been looking for. And because marupok yun ate girl nyo, pinili ko siya. So guys, remember when you see this sign or this logo, know that it's a logo that will make you spend money. So let's open these. So I got the Exodus Korean version, which has the Suho cover because as you all know, Suho is the only, well, not the only, but Suho is my super bias or my ultimate bias in EXO. And I can't open this. This is really like making me cry. So let me talk first while I get a coin to try and open my photo cards. Hindi pa ako nakakarating sa Myeongdong nito. Sa lagay ko na to. Kailangan ko makarating ng Myeongdong para masabi ko na hindi ako gumastos ng sobra-sobra. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Ayaw talaga niya magbukas. Oh my gosh. So here we go. Suho's fine. Suho's CD. Aray ko na laglaglag. Ay, aray ko na laglaglag. Ay,
Aray ko na laglaglag.
I got a chanyol. I got a chanyol. Kahit Suho yung album. Kahit ganun sila. Equality for all. Kahit ang harap, Suho, ang photo card, parang ano lang yan. Jelly beans. You never know which one you're gonna get. Ganon. So, I got a chanyol. And cute naman si chanyol dito, oh. Now, it's Universe. Universe ba to? Ah, Sing For You. Sorry. Di pala Universe. Sing For You. Sing For You. That is Suho as well on the cover. The astronaut. How am I supposed to open this? There's like, oh no, it's all taped up. This is hirap mag-unboxing ng mga albums. Naloloka ako. Guys, if you're ever traveling, one thing that I will tell you, like, advise you guys to bring is bring a pair of scissors. It's so hard to get scissors here. Or to borrow scissors here. Kailangan mo bumaba ka pa sa reception para lang hiramin yung gunting nila. At doon ka maggugunting ng kahit anong gamit mo. Oh, look at this. Aww. Let me open. Aww. Lay, who is doing his solo deed as well, but who is still very much a part of EXO. So, yun lang yung ginagawa ko. In-unbox ko lang siya because I'm sure a lot of people don't really want me to go through these albums because these are old albums already. Binubuksan ko lang to, yung thrill na maghanap ng photo card. Because in every album, they give you a photo card and as you know, everyone loves your photo cards. Aray ko. Nag-struggle siya. This is the wait lang, Overdose album. This is the Overdose photo book. Take note, yung mga photo books, yung mga albums nila before, sobrang simple lang. Like, hello, dyan, ito na box, like this. And then yung photo book. Look at Chanyol in the Overdose one though. Ang gwapo niya! He looks really good here, in fair. Okay, I'm gonna speed things up because we're gonna leave as well. We're gonna go out and explore. This is pala the, Miracles in December album, diba? This is the Miracles in December album. OT12 pa sila dito. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let me open it. Ay, ang bongga. Pa-box talaga siya. May parigalo pa effect. Guys, alam nyo na, the way to my heart is through EXO. Oh my God! It's Luhan! Guys,
Rare Pokemon yan.
rare Pokemon, Luhan! Guys, for all those that don't know who Luhan is, Luhan was one of the
Ex ni Sehun.
Take note, Chika, ex ni Sehun. But also, Luhan was a former member of EXO. He was part of the OT12. He was a Chinese member, but because of certain things in life called complications, umalis siya. And then, the last two... Wait, I'm gonna be really quick. I'm so sorry. Pressure is on, guys. This is the EXO album, right? EXO. The Growl. Oh my God, see, nagkakagulo na ako. This is the Growl album. So this is still OT12. Very nice. Oh my God, the tita has to show this to you. Ang ganda ng album na to. Binder peg. Oh my God. Ay, may nalaglag. Diyos ko ka, Lord. Ang baby pa nila, this is the very original EXO ever. The song Growl is also the song that kind of like made them boom. Ganon. Ito po si Chris, na siya yung unang lumayo, sabi nga nila. Aww. Ay, oh my God, may pa-leather si Chanyol dito. The leather pants are real. The leatherette, the pants, my gulay. The last one is the EXO. Ito pala yung EXO. EXO. And then makikita mo sa likod, para silang schoolboys talaga. Oh, ganda. Let me open this. Oh my God, their CD is so cute. Alam niyo yung mga old school 90s kids? Ayan o. Tapos yung magsusulat sila sa CD, burn na yung music for your soulmate or something like that. Yan yung nangyari. Oo, yung pag... Ay, well, okay. Kasi sa Papua New Guinea, yung may type ka na tao, magbe-burn ka ng CD. Tapos like lalagay mo yung mga songs na you dedicate to that person. Yung mga mixtape effect. Tapos lalagyan mo ng mga message yun sa taas. Ganon yung peg. Tapos lambok yung peg kasi ang dami nakasulat sa loob. Ganon yung mga peg. Ganon yung ligawan dati.
Oh my God.
Tipong, I like you. No, I don't. Ganon. This is Chen! Oh my... Wait! May sasabihin ako. Nagparamdam si Chen sa akin. By the way, in my other unboxing of all these CDs, medyo nagtampo ako kasi wala nga ako nakuhang Suho. So, I didn't get Suho. So now, what I had to do was, I had to... Actually, nagparamdam si Chen, who was my second bias out of all the EXO members. So, ang nangyari is, feeling ko, lahat ng ginagawa ko ngayon, nagpaparamdam siya. May binili akong mga postcard set photos from Exploration Con. Si Chen yung unang-unang lumabas. Tapos, ito, si Chen na naman. Tapos, yung nanood kami ng Exordium.con, 3D surround sound experience. Diyos ko, ang ni Chen doon sa concert na yun. Kaya, nagigilty ako ng slides na medyo nagtampo ako na puro Chen yung nakuha ko kanina. But disclaimer, it's not because I don't like Chen. It's very much because I was really focused on getting all my Suhos. That whenever I saw a different member, medyo nasa-stress out ako. So, yun lang yun. Pero yun, so si Chen yung nakuha ko dito. And ikikip ko si Chen bilang mahal ko din naman siya. Pero mas mahal ko talaga si Suho. So, that's it! I'm not gonna do any more unboxings. That's all done. So, that's it! I'm not gonna do any more unboxings. Because your ate girl's still not done with unboxing. Meron pa kaming i-unbox. Album. Super M. Kai-Beck.
Oh my God, ako lang yung isa
Ako.
binili.
And Love Me Right. And Mama. Okay, so which one are we opening? All Kai first?
Yes.
Okay, we're opening All Kai.
Let's pray
Guys,
for Abek.
if you open a... Wait,
Oh my God! Nakita ko na yung akin.
One. Saan ba?
wait lang, wait.
1, 2, 3. Tadaan! Group.
Kasi ganyan din yung akin. Ay.
Group.
What? Ang malak.
Hi, Super M! Si Taemin, si Baekhyun,
Wow.
si Kai. Ang gwapo ni Kai dito, guys. Can I just say?
Hindi naman lahat.
Yeah, dapat. Ayan. This is Taeyang. He's part of NCT 127. NCT 127. This is 10. 10.
I'm gonna open Beck.
We saw him
Are you
Wavy! Wavy! Okay, insert 30 seconds of a random video. Now. And we're back. This is...
My
Oh my God, Lucas!
this child.
This, oh my God. Do you know how old this boy is?
He's a boy.
He's a boy.
He is a boy. Oh, he just turned into a man. Okay. Yeah. I'll open. Yeah, I have. Okay, hindi na namin ipap... Oh, shit! Sorry. I just had to.
Why am I even buying albums and then I just look at it and don't play?
I play mine.
I don't even look at it. I look at it once when I
And then
open
stop
it
na.
and then close it and then
Keep it in storage.
yeah.
Ate Cha will show you the different photos while me and Sam open our Beck versions. Beck! Or as what LA Aguinaldo says, back. We're praying.
Lucas sa akin to.
Okay, let's look.
Time for confession.
1, 2, 3. Ay, nawala. Ay, sorry. 10.
Frank Chen is the new 10. Alright. Lord, yes.
That is. So, if anyone's interested, okay, no, I'll keep 10. I kind of like 10. I find them intriguing.
So, if anyone wants Taeyong for Lucas or 10, let me know.
Yeah, if you're gonna swap. Ako, if you want the group photo card, I'm willing to give it to you. If you give me a Baekhyun, a Kai, or a 10.
Okay.
Ay! Or a Lucas pala, I have 10 na pala, so I don't need 10 na. Okay, I'm gonna open my mama.
Cassie will give her Stan account and then we'll sell everything
Yeah,
that's
follow us actually. Bunny Myoni 01 at
03CB04.
and
Osemi, OHSAEPM.
So,
oh my God, look how cute the mama version is.
oh my God,
The
Chaya.
babies!
Aww.
Oh, I like this concept. Look, oh, there's such babies po here. Sabi ko sa'yo, swerte ako kay Chanyol na naman eh! Chanyol na naman! Oh my
Pwede ka na
God!
mag-collect ng Chanyo.
Guys! Whoever Chanyol stands, kung may suhod kayo dyan, alam nyo na. Give your ate girl a call. Grabe, ang baby pa nila dito. Fetus pa sila. Ganito ka fetus sila, ang papayat pa nila. Wala pa yung muscles nila, guys. Mini album. Okay, next is Love Me Right.
Oh my gosh, I love
Your
her
tita
pa
girl,
yan.
hey Cassie, is very manupok. I bought, I think, a total of like 10 albums. In the strip alone. Love Me Right. By the way, this is one of my favorite. No, we have done it. This is one of my favorite music videos of theirs. Actually, this poster is on my wall right now.
Yeah.
So, I love this concept.
And Chanyo.
Sabi ko na naman, Chanyol na naman! Lord!
Oh my God.
This is SM.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Talaga
DDP.
yung naano nila.
Dude, and no, that's from, these are from the Myeongdong store. The other ones are from, Coex. I'm just really lucky when it comes to Chanyol prototype. Chanyol stands! Kung may suho kayo dyan, oh. Sige na, give your ate girl a call. Kailangan ko ng suho. Pero ganitong version din, ha? Kung may ganitong version lang kayo.
Is this the
Nasaan na yung rubber band? Ay, ito. Ang gwapo
Oh my
ni Chen.
Oh my God.
Guys, ito yung Jojowain at prototype. Jojowain.
Oh, yeah.
The ate girl from the store even looked after it for us. Oh, ang gwapo naman ng
Chen, forgive us. We love you.
Chen, we love EXO Obsession.
May influx
The
lang
X,
talaga ng...
ganito yun. Oh,
May influx lang talaga ng poster mo.
the scream.
at saka-
Oo, sobrang ang dami mong posters talaga nun XXO.
Don't get mad. We
Mahal ka
Love you. We love you
namin.
so much.
we appreciate you.
Pero
We
like,
support your
Oo.
solo.
Let's just put it this way, Chen. Sobrang like, out of like the 6 albums,
Ikaw lahat.
5 sa'yo. Isa lang ang hindi. Oh my gosh! Like, mahal ka namin, pero like, di ba?
Hindi, mahal talaga natin siya.
Mahal talaga natin.
Sobrang
siya.
love natin.
These are all from Nature Republic. Because in another vlog, you'll see, your tita of Manila ate girl decided to invest in Nature Republic.
Invest, like she bought one store.
Yeah.
She did.
I am the new owner of Myeongdong Nature Republic right after the train station. This is Suho. Ang gwapo niya. Mahal ko siya. We also got photo cards. Yes, yung mga tita girls of Manila nyo nag-shopping.
What we got? Who is this? Oh my God! I saw the watch.
It's the Osehon!
The Osehu.
The bracelet. Suho number 2.
Ano? This is the sunblock Suho. Yes.
The one we got in Coe.
Yeah. So your tita of Manila is doing a giveaway soon. Stay tuned on my Bunny Yoni account.
Open my bag. I'm gonna keep it.
This is Suho again. So your tita ate girl is giving away 2 Suho Nature Republic posters. And the mechanics is you have to finish watching this video, like, comment, and subscribe that you actually watched. So, alalahanin nyo, you guys can win it. I'll give it to you guys for free if you join the little, ano. Oh, and you know what you do? You go on Twitter and you tag me that you actually watch and you tell me what I did in minute 3. So 3.00. I will actually look and see what I did in minute 3.00 to see who I actually watched, okay? So that's it. We're good?
We good.
So your tita of Manila is done again. So, from Hey Cassie, please like and subscribe my randomness on this channel. Yeah.
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Hey, it's Cassie. May pag ganun, may pasulat eh. Ano
Make
to?
sure to hit the like button.
Yo!
Yes.
And remember, we are all fangirls here. We all appreciate each other. We all should love one another and learn how to respect
It's
one
just that
another.
we
Yes.